Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage card rewards with Capital One, full guide step by step clearly. To manage card rewards with Capital One, begin by logging into your Capital One account online or through the mobile app. Once logged in, navigate to the rewards section of your dashboard. Here, you can view your current rewards balance and transaction history. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different categories of rewards your card offers. Next, explore the redemption options available for your rewards. These may include statement credits, gift cards, travel bookings, or purchases. Select the option that best aligns with your needs and preferences. If you want to redeem travel rewards, check for any bonus offers or promotional deals. Make sure to review the terms and conditions for each redemption option carefully. If desired, set up alerts or reminders for your rewards expiration dates. Regularly check for any updates or changes to the rewards program within your account. Consider using the Capital One mobile app for convenient management of your rewards. The app offers real-time tracking of rewards and easy access to redemption options. To maximize your rewards, focus on spending within categories that provide higher point accrual. Monitor your credit card statements to keep track of your rewards earning progress. Finally, regularly reassess your card rewards strategy to ensure it aligns with your spending habits and goals. By staying informed and proactive, you can effectively manage your Capital One card rewards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.